Hey everyone, Joe Tillman here, outside, obviously, and it is April 2024, and I've been getting questions over the past few years asking how the FUE into my donor scar worked out, and I honestly don't know. I haven't really given it much thought. I haven't looked very closely, but we're going to do that today. I thought today would be a good day. It's one of the first sunny, warm days we've had where I live at my home, and so why not come outside and check things out. First thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to, well, just recap. It was July of 2019. I had roughly 700 FUE into the crown, or about 600 in my crown, and 100 of those grafts were placed into the occipital donor scar. And there are some baby ducks. Have a look. Okay, that was unexpected. And here's some more racing. Okay, I got some new neighbors. I can hear them getting closer. All right, anyway, so we're going to try this again. You can hear the ducks in the background. All right, so 100 grafts into the occipital donor scar 5 years later, and I'll try to get the before image to put up on screen if I can find it, but we'll see just how this looks. I'll try to separate it. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Okay, I don't know how visible that is, but that's the whole goal, is to camouflage a scar when you're trying to look for it. So I don't know if I'll be able to find that before image. I know it's out there somewhere, but I'll see if I can do a side-by-side with that. But that's what I live with daily. And after having, I think it was 7 strips, and then a couple of, test surgeries like BHT and a couple of FUE surgeries, I've had a total of 10 surgeries, and 7 of those are strip. And you don't see, I know you can't see the scar here. This is untouched with like no grafts put into this donor scar, or this part of the donor scar. And it goes all the way up to here. I don't know what you can see right now, but I've never had any issues with the donor scar being visible. And to the other side, I've made sure to position myself where the sun is right on my scalp. That's that. We'll see how that turns out. And if you got more questions, want to see anything else about my hair, I'll see if I can do a quick video like I did with this one. Thanks for watching.